Get down right here.
Okay.
Big day today, huh? I don't know if he's on us. Big day today, opening day in PA. It's kind of a special one for me this morning, man. We're starting off at my family's old hunting camp. Shot my first longbeard here a long time ago. We're figuring out on the way down here. I haven't started opening day down here in probably 17 years, so kind of cool. A bunch of turkeys down here. Haven't even turkey hunted it in years. Totally different from anywhere we hunt, even around home. Just kind of big woods, and it's a cool place, so it should be an exciting day. We'll see what happens. We got good weather. We lucked out. It's supposed to be kind of rainy, but it looks like it's going to be pretty good, so see what happens. Fingers crossed. He's way back here. I don't think we can get him. You hear him, Dad? He's way back here. Listen. Hear him?
Yeah, but I can't tell where he's at.
Straight this way. He's probably right off that. There's that house out there.
Where he gets again?
What if he probably works this way? Like, I mean, later on in the day.
Wait, yeah, but I can't tell. I can't tell how far he is. I can still hear him, but
Let's walk over here, maybe we can
get directions.
Sure, we could open the gate and call him right into the freaking, if he wants to come. There's grouse all over the place down here. Alright, let's do this. We got this turkey that we heard off the limb here. He's just barely off of our property line, but he's hanging out in there's a big field out here close to the road that he's hanging out in. It sounds like he probably has a bunch of hens, because he's just not gobbling a lot. He was gobbling good off the limb, but he's not gobbling a lot. But we've set up here just hoping. I don't think he's going to cross the road, so I think eventually they might end up pulling into the timber here. Hopefully those hens are nesting back here somewhere, but we're just kind of set up right now. We're going to there's turkeys out in our food plot. We're just going to kind of let them do their thing, kind of break up. Hopefully by 8, 9 o'clock, one of these turkeys will get to ripping a little bit better. Maybe we'll pull one into us, but boy, it'd be a pretty spot to call him right up this road. See what happens. Maybe his hens will come this way and we'll get lucky.
I'm getting ready to lay down and take a little nap.
Sounded closer that time. I just heard a turkey. Yeah, 2 turkeys. Get the ones at the field. Listen. Here? They're gobbling every time I call. I think it's them. Pretty sure it's them.
The ones from the field, you said?
Yeah, they're gobbling. Gobbled every time I call. Was that, wasn't it? Yeah. It was, right?
Yeah. Sounded like it.
They're in the field. Get down right here. Dad, they start breaking, call. When they start coming to us, just lay down right here. They're in the field. We gotta get up there quick. Get down low. What a way to end the freaking first day. What a freaking way to end the first day of turkey season at a place this freaking near and dear to me, baby. That was unreal, man. We've been on these turkeys for like 2-3 hours. Finally, for whatever reason, they must have just lost their hens and they broke right down in here. I mean, I had Dad. Dad was back. Here he comes. Dad was back behind us calling. 2 Longbeards right at the buzzer. It's like 11:30. They come right down in here, 25 yards. I'm freaking smoked them. Unbelievable. Heck yes. Oh, what a pretty sucker.
Nice job.
Yeah. What a way to end the first day.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks. Good calling back
Awesome,
there.
buddy.
I think you helped him breaking them over
That's
here.
awesome.
Man, we had literally been on these turkeys. Look, you got like beard rot or something.
5 to 12.
Man,
Wow, that's
we
great.
had literally been on these turkeys like all
Good
morning.
job, dude.
We were hunting a different one out on another part of the property. We came back in here. We sat down on these, moved on them like 3 times. Then finally we just left them. It was like, the hell with it, they're not going to gobble or do anything. So we left, tried a different end of the property.
That was sweet.
And the crazy thing is, from a different part of the property, I restruck them. And it was like, okay, well, we got like half an hour left. We might as well run down there and see. Maybe their hens left them. And that's got to be exactly what happened, because we came back down here and they freaking ripped it.
Those last couple gobbles, I knew he was going to be in your lap. Had to be. I mean, that was loud.
They ripped it,
I
man.
was just down over the edge.
They ripped it. They sat up there gobbling, and all of a sudden they just broke down and come right in here. What an awesome hunt, man. That was, I mean, how do you
Can't
top
beat
the
it,
first day of turkey season like that?
especially here.
This is the first turkey I've killed here in quite a while,
Yeah,
especially on the first day of the season, and that was
That's great.
about as exciting as
Especially
it
like 5
gets.
to 12.
Yeah. What an awesome freaking
Yeah, that's
hunt.
great, man.
That was sick.
Good job, buddy. Proud of you.
In that field. In that field. Yeah. Just down over in the field. Alright. It's about 9 o'clock. We just pulled up to a spot here. I got out and called. It sounded like 2 turkeys gobbled down there. Actually, in a second here, I'll probably creep up here and just see if I could see them. But I'm thinking right now we'll probably drop back into the woods and circle around and get there. But I'd like to see them. Maybe I could see which way they're working. I'm gonna see if I could see them real quick. Just hold on. Grab it. Get your stuff ready. But I'm gonna see. Right there. 2 strutters and a couple of hens. Right down here, like 150 yards. Let's grab our stuff and we'll drop back. And we'll make a big loop around. The hens look like they were poking that way. So we'll get in that corner of the field up there. I'm gonna have to try to crawl around in front of it and get to this tree. Where's that going?
Well, let them come all they want, but I'm probably not going to be able to shoot them.
Okay.
Unless I give the gun to Shay.
That's alright.
It's too bad, though.
Yeah.
Is that a Jake with them or no?
No.
They both Longbeards?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Are they both Longbeards?
Yes.
They go to the right, there's no way I'm going to be able to shoot them. No. No way. No freaking way. Where'd the other one go?
I'm on.
Where's the white-headed one?
You see him?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, they're going right.
Yeah, forget that then. No way I'm gonna be able to kill him now. You're going to the right. Won't be able to shoot him the right at all. Okay. Don't. Leave him alone, we'll get him again. See him? Yeah, I can't shoot there at all. How far are they?
They're close.
They close enough to shoot?
Yeah.
No, wait. Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the other one? Here, quick. You can't shoot through there. I can't do it. Oh, there's only 2 of them flopping out there though, right? I can't shoot through that stuff, but there's only 2 dead turkeys flopping out there. Good job, brother. Great hunt, man. How freaking pretty was that?
That was awesome.
I mean, that was pretty. Just coming to a turkey call like
That
nobody
was
said.
freaking awesome.
I mean, coming to a turkey call like
I don't know
nobody
which
said.
one you shot.
This
Which
one's
one?
yours, Dad.
Yeah.
What's that?
This
Yeah.
one's yours.
Is that mine?
You freaking hammered him.
Yeah.
You had a
This is
perfect
Shay's?
hole through there.
Holy
Here. That was a
job.
great
What do you
hunt,
think,
man.
Oh man,
Oh,
dude.
man. We ended up
Dude,
coming into
Good
this
job.
spot. Great job.
that was awesome.
We ended up coming into this spot. I got up on top, called, turkeys gobbled down the field. We made a huge circle all the way around them. Got into this corner here. They were out in the middle, so it prevented us from crawling up into one of these open trees, which was a big argument because he didn't think he was going to be able to shoot, but they came right to us, and he had a hole through that thick stuff and just freaking pounded
Well,
them.
they came that close.
Handed the gun to Shay, and he hammered him. That was awesome.
Ooh, buddy.
What a
Way to
great
go.
I didn't
hunt.
even think about handing the gun until all of
Dude,
a sudden.
how pretty were their heads?
Oh, I know.
I mean, their heads were so vibrant
Oh,
through
yeah.
that brush.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
not even funny.
That was.
Yeah, they had 2 hens out there, and we just got. They were actually kind of. It sounded like we got up on top here, and I could see the hens that are working this way. I figured this would be perfect. We got over here. Once we got set up over here, the hens started working the other way, and it was kind of crazy for a little while, just trying to figure out if we wanted to go back or try them here. But they started going. I said, "Man, I gotta call to them right now, or they're gonna leave." And they ended up breaking right over here to us. They left the hens and come right over. What a great hunt in PA.
Shay, did
was
there
awesome.
any filming at all on that
Yeah,
one?
yeah, you could see him come all the way up.
That
and you
was
go.
sweet.
It was beautiful. Yeah.
That was beautiful.
Way to go, man.
That was great.
Thanks for letting me shoot.